Hello and welcome to the Broken Sound Real Estate Report. My name is Claude Champagne and today is Friday, January the 11th. There's currently 113 homes for sale in Broken Sound, and this week there's one new listing and it is located at 2451 Northwest 59th Street, Unit 601. That's in Clubside Point. A beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1-car garage with a gorgeous lake view. It is listed at $299,000. If you know anybody that would be interested in this gorgeous unit, please call me Claude Champagne at 561-703-4727. Also, if you'd like to see any of the homes on the internet, please click to the link below on brokensoundcc.com, where you can see all the homes with all the videos, virtual tours, photos, and information that you need. Now this week I'm featuring a beautiful home in Laurel Point located at 2625 Northwest 53rd Drive. This gorgeous home is 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It has a brand new roof. It is a 2-story home with the master bedroom down, 2 full bedrooms up with 2 bathrooms. It is absolutely in mint condition, has a beautiful backyard. If you are interested, once again, please call me Claude Champagne at 561-703-4727. Now, since the first of the year, 4 homes went under contract in Broken Sound, and they are located at 2078 Northwest 52nd Street in Cedar Cay, was listed at $124,000. 6657 Northwest 25th Way in the Banyans, listed at $189,000. 2481 Northwest 64th Street in Oak Run, it was listed at $239,000. And finally, 2524 Cocoa Plum Boulevard, Unit 1104 in Bridgepoint. It was listed at $299,000. Please go to our Facebook page at facebook.com/BrokenSoundCC. Like the page, become a fan. You'll get updates on a weekly basis on new homes on the market, homes that sold, and other facts about Broken Sound. Thank you for watching the Broken Sound Real Estate Report. Please stay healthy, and I will see you next week.